Feel like your business is doing everything right, but no one's noticing? Here's the truth. It's not your product. It's not your prices. It's your branding. In today's world, branding is how people remember you. No logo, no story, no chance they'll come back. When your business has no clear identity, it gets lost in the crowd. You look like everyone else, and people scroll right past. But here's the good news. You don't need a big budget to stand out. You just need a smart start. Use simple tools to design a logo. Choose a few brand colors. Pick one tone of voice and stick with it. Be consistent, online and offline. Show up with intention, on social media, on your packaging, even on your invoices. That's branding. And the results? More recognition, more trust, more customers who remember you and come back. So, here's your move. Build your visual style. Tell your story. Stay consistent. Need help pulling it all together? That's what we do. MarketinGear helps small businesses build real brands that get real results. Let's build yours together. Subscribe for more tips and visit MarketingGear.com to start building your brand today.